Hello, hello, Instagram. Okay, guys, so I am getting back on here today with a little update. Don't forget, guys, Magic Hair Company wigs are only available at magiccarecompany.com. This is our logo here. We are located in Culver City, California. We are a USA-based wig store. This is our logo right here. If you see anything that looks different than this, it's not Magic Hair Company. Our wigs are only available at magiccarecompany.com. Magiccarecompany.com is the only place that our wigs are available, and our logo looks just like this here. So thank you guys for tuning into our live show today. I'm just going to get on for just a quick moment to finish styling this wig right here that we are coloring for one of our clients. And yeah, so this is one of my favorites right here. We do custom color here in store. We can customize the color for you on any of our wigs here at Magic Hair Company. We are your glueless, full lace and front lace wig supplier, and we have our very own hair care product line, which is available on our website, magiccarecompany.com. It's available in store and online. Everything that we have is 20% off right now. Make sure that you get your orders in time to have your Valentine's Day hair ready, because restaurants are opening up in LA. So if you're in LA, you can go on a Valentine's Day. Check out our website again, magiccarecompany.com. That's the only place where you guys can get our wigs. Or here in our Culver City store, which we're currently open Tuesday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Starting March, we'll be open again Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6. We're located here in Culver City, California, the one and only Magic Hair Company. I've been here for 8+ years now, and I am the one and only owner. So yeah, check out our website, magiccarecompany.com. We have hundreds of wigs available that are in stock and ready to ship. We have a 1 to 3 day processing time. We do custom color here in store, and our wigs are amazing quality. They're human hair. We'll custom color it for you. Utilize the chat feature on our website, and you can set up an appointment or ask us questions at any time. We're definitely here to assist you, and let us know how we can help you. We can definitely customize a beautiful wig for you. So this wig that we're coloring here, we're just adding some of these curls in here. I started it earlier today, but as usual, Tuesdays are really busy for us here in store. So I'm just getting back to it to finish some of the curls right now. But this color is beautiful. We have a lot of different really pretty reds, and here we go. So this is the red in this. As you can see, it has a couple of different tones to it because we do all of our own custom coloring here in store. So you can't really, you can request anything, but it's not going to be a solid, hard color. It's going to be a very natural mixture of whatever you want, whether it's reds, blues, greens. We can customize that color for you here today. And oh, hi Mom. So yeah, we have our full lace wigs, we have our front lace wigs, and we are styling this here today. Mom, when I was talking to you earlier, I forgot to ask if you wanted a wig for my wedding. So for those of you guys that don't know, I'm getting married pretty soon, and my bridal party will all have wigs from Magic Hair Company, which I will document and start showing you guys a preview of our wigs pretty soon. But definitely check us out, magiccarecompany.com. This is what the logo looks like here. So there's a couple of scammers out right now that are adding like wig store, wig shop. If it has anything else besides this logo here, it is not from magiccarecompany.com. We are located in Culver City, California, which is in the USA. There it is. So yeah, definitely check out our website, magiccarecompany.com. We are currently having a 20% off sale. We're currently having 20% off. The discount is applied at checkout, and you don't need to add any sort of coupon code there. Again, our wigs are only available at magiccarecompany.com. It's not any other website. We're not available on Amazon. Go ahead and check out magiccarecompany.com. Subscribe to our newsletter and set your notifications. Shop with us if you want the best. We do free styling. Styling is included, so if you want some curls, if you want some waves, if you want some layers, if you want some bangs, we'll take care of that for you here at Magic Hair Company. That's what's great about shopping with us, is you can come shop with us here in store. You can have a one-on-one customized color consultation where we'll really decide on the perfect color for you. Or you can just come on in, and we have all of these different wigs here in store. We'll cut some layers. You guys can see I have a couple layers in this hair here. I've been wearing this wig for a little over a year and a half. You know, this is what I wore on my last vacation to Jamaica. You know, back when I was able to travel. Now we can't, but I still got the hair to be ready. So definitely check us out. Be Valentine's Day ready, be Zoom ready, be out the house ready. And that way you don't have to wait until the last minute. If you see a wig that you like from us, know that we only have 1 or 2, maybe 3 in stock, but we don't have a lot of the same styles because we have so many different styles and so many different color options. Don't wait until the last minute. 1, it's on sale right now, and you know, we have a 1 to 3 day processing time, and then we'll get the wig out to you. So you can have a new wig to you in about 1 week. Shop with us if you want the best, ladies and gentlemen. Our wigs are glueless, so they don't require any glue. You don't have to sew it down, and it's still gonna stay nice and snug and secure. We're located in Culver City, California. We are about 10 minutes from LAX. So for those of you that don't know where Culver City is, it's in Los Angeles, California. And yes, our wigs are glueless. Yeah, so like my wig that I have on here. Whoop. Yeah, it's glueless. So I can literally take it on and off. And this is one of my favorites. We did this custom color here. Hopefully you guys can see this on the camera. And yeah, you just throw it on. And it will still stay nice and secure. And there you go. Shop with Magic Hair Company if you want the best. You see how easy that was to put this wig on? Very easy. Let me slide it back just a little. And there we go. You guys see this beautiful color here? All right, guys, and don't forget to maintain your wigs and extensions. Use our hair care product line. This will keep your wigs and extensions maintained and increase the longevity, so it will last you, because our wigs can last you for years with proper maintenance. This is quality hair. This is hair that's going to last you. It's not synthetic. It's not animal hair. There's no fillings. This is 100% human hair. And this is my last curl right here, and then I'm getting out of here. Let us know if you guys have any questions. Definitely utilize our chat feature at magiccarecompany.com. That is the only place you can get our wigs from, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Janice. I'm the owner. We will see you Friday at 3 p.m. live, because we do a Friday live show every 3 p.m. Friday. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and let us know how we can help you guys. And that is it for me today, because actually I have to go try on my wedding dress. We are Magic Hair Company, magiccarecompany.com. All right, guys, we will see you soon. I'll probably finish up the curling on this tomorrow. Check us out, magiccarecompany.com. We are your #1 glueless, fullest, and frontless wig store located in Culver City, California. Bye, guys.